Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by halting the processes that lock update files. Open Services now and find Windows Update and Bits. Right-click and choose Stop. Once done, make sure both services show stopped so files can be removed without errors. This prevents file corruption and avoids restarting mid-delete. If UAC prompts appear, accept them because administrator rights are required. You're doing this first to ensure safe deletion. It's quicker than rebooting and chasing locked handles later. Now you'll remove the downloaded content that consumes space. Go to C/Windows/software distribution/download and select everything. Press delete and then empty the recycle bin to reclaim space immediately. Once completed, optionally check C/Windows/delivery optimization to clear peer cache. Make sure services remain stopped while deleting, otherwise locked files will block the operation. You're removing only downloaded installers and temporary data. Finish by restarting the services you stopped earlier. Open Services and start Windows Update and Bits. Once started, go to Settings Update and Security and click Check for updates to confirm the system can re-download necessary files. This validates integrity and network access. If updates fail or you see errors, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and reboot. That often clears residual state. Make sure to monitor free space and repeat deletion, only if stale download cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.